Hello, everyone. This is Corey with King's ITS, and today I'd like to share with you a very brief introduction to OWL, how to log in, and how to navigate around OWL for those who have never used it before. So OWL stands for Online Western Learning, and it is Western's online learning platform. All of the courses that you take at Western will have an OWL site that provides you with a conduit for communication between you and your faculty member. So teachers will disseminate information, provide assignments, perhaps do some tests and quizzes, all via the OWL site that is set up for the course that you're enrolled in. So when you want to log into OWL, you can go to owl.uwo.ca, where you will be met with this page. And logging in is as easy as putting in your Western credentials like this. Now, when you become a student at Western, you will be given a username and a password, and those are that is the information that you need to log into OWL. If you do not have Western credentials, but you are still a member of an OWL site, you can log in using whatever credentials were set up for you when you were given membership to that site. So you'll see this is the page that you'll be met with once you log in. You'll have a calendar on the right, which provides you with lots of really good information pertaining to your courses. You'll see days in red are usually mean that you've been assigned a test or a quiz or some sort of an assignment is due that day. And you can see those by clicking on the date, and it will tell you what you have happening on that date. So you'll see here I've got a first good draft is due on April 29th, for example. Now you'll see up here along this bar here, this is the sites navigation bar, and you can populate that with your sites. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, I'll show you this. This is the sites drawer. And if you click on that, it will provide you with access to all of the sites that you have been granted membership to. So you'll see I'm in the disability studies class, I'm in the psychology class, and I'm in a religious studies class. I'm going to add all three of those to my favorites. And by doing so, I will then see them, once I refresh the page, they will appear here. So now I can access all of those sites simply by navigating to the sites navigation bar. So I already mentioned the sites drawer, and I've shown you how to log in. All of this information can be found here. You'll see Introducing OWL Help. If you click on this, it will take you to the recently created OWL Help site. And the place that I would recommend for people who have never used OWL before is to click on Getting Started under For Students, and you will see some really great information here on how to log into OWL, how to navigate the OWL interface, which I just went through with you, and some other next steps like taking quizzes and submitting assignments. There's lots of really great information here, and I encourage you to look through all of these things. OWL is a resource that you will be relying on heavily throughout your studies at Western and at King's, and I encourage you to familiarize yourself with all of the options and abilities that it provides you. If you need help, you can always reach out to kings.uwo.ca/ITS and complete the ITS work request form here. I hope this has been helpful. Again, my name is Corey. Have a great day.